Good morning, traders. Welcome to the channel. My name is Justice, and we are here, right? We are here. This is season 2, and we are here to trade, right? So, real quick, we'll do the other things after. My eyes is on currently on gold. I'm seeing a potential buy, right? I'm seeing a potential buy is in like from where we are. I'm just waiting for a confirmation, and then once I get my confirmation, then I can have the confidence for us to actually be part of the trade, right? But I am looking forward for gold, like maybe to take out this low here, and then we can then go up from the way it is now. Don't get me wrong, it can buy, and that won't be a problem, right? Then I want to have my stop loss just somewhere. See. Somewhere right here. All right, that's what I'm looking forward to, so that we can go a little bit up, just a little bit up with gold. So I'm on the watch for it. I want to see a confirmation. I want to give in a confirmation in order for me to say I can participate in this trade. As long as I don't get a confirmation, I'm not going to be part of the trade, right? So yeah, I'm looking forward just to get in gold. Let me do this here. So we need a confirmation. Once we do get it, then we'll consider being in the trade. So yeah, so we're waiting. You'll see me get in, but now I'm still waiting for my confirmation. Okay. So we're still on the sidelines. We want the confirmation. Okay. So we are waiting. We want the confirmation, like we were saying. Let's see if we're gonna get it. Okay, we've got the confirmation. It's no longer here. Price is giving us confirmation that he has to carry on buying. So we are gonna get in where it is here right now. Well, you see how the spread is not good when it comes to this guy, but it's all good. So we are getting in here, and our stop loss is going to be here now, right? So our stop loss is going to be just below this candle here, and then we will target going back Let's see, where do we target? Yeah, we could even target maybe this high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the high I'm seeing. Let's go to. Oh, what's happening? I see my camera is not on. Why is my camera not on? Why is my camera not on? So sorry guys, I did not check if my camera is actually on or not. Okay, I'm gonna test, just activate this one. I'm gonna put the other one back on. Okay, I think it's back. Yeah, it's back. Awesome, 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 awesome. Yes, the audio is much better. I did upgrade into a lavalier mic, so the audio is definitely going to be much better. Welcome to the channel. My name is Justice, and this is Call to Trade. And the objective, right? This is season 2 of our Challenge X Funded series, right? The objective of this challenge or of the season is to trade a challenge account, make sure that we pass it live, and get funded, get our first payout, and to show that this trading thing is actually a real thing, that it actually works, right? It is not just a thing, but it's actually trading, right? It actually works, right? It's not the image that has been put out there for what trading really is. So yeah, we're trading live. You can see our move is actually going up. It's going well so far. My risk, I'm not happy with my risk. My risk is a little bit low, but well, I guess it's the first trade, right? It's the first trade. And now the thing is, we are, what's the game plan, right? There's a lot. I'm new to the trading, trading to the streaming or content creating space, and all of these ideas were coming about. Like, okay, fine, you're watching my streams, you're following my streams, you know where I was. And I was like, okay, in this week that I just took, I would have loved to actually taken to maybe just release 1 or 2 videos, right? Maybe one to explain whatever I learned from my past 2 or 3 weeks trading before. That being one video, the other video being maybe what could what's the game plan for this one coming through, you know, those lessons and stuff, right? So sorry. So but it will get better, right? It will improve as we go on, for sure. It will definitely improve for sure. What we are trying to do here is we are trying to build a solid foundation where you can trust and know that, okay, you are getting real good content, right? Content that is there for you and not for you just to be the product, right? Or for you not to be the product, but for you to actually gain something. So one of the things um, we will be doing, right? Or what's our game plan? Let's go back to the game plan again. The game plan is, right, we are here to take what is ours, right? We are in the challenge phase. So, oh, by the way, if it's your first time, don't be shy, subscribe, guys, right? And make sure uh, you've liked the video, right? I'm feeling cold. It's a little bit cold. I was up a bit early and just trying to get everything set up. So yeah, we've got that. Um, yeah. So yeah, it's disclaimer as well. This is not any financial advice. This is literally just trading, right? Wow, guys, are you seeing the trade? How beautiful is this? Are you seeing the trade? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So one of the things I wanted to mention is, oh wow, it's like shooting, shooting, shooting. Oh wow, TP is hitting hit right now. And our target, like I did mention, right, is, oh, no, I didn't mention, but it's something which I wanted to actually mention, is that our game plan with this guy here is to make sure we take what is ours, and what is ours. So we want to, per day, right, we want a range from $700 to 1,400. So if we make that amount of money, there's literally no need for us to want more out of the market. So what does that help us with? It helps us with being content, and not just being content, but also being able to follow our trading plan, right? We've got, what do you call it? We've got 5 days to pass this challenge. And for us to pass this challenge, we need to make $30,000. So with those 5 days, we could even pass it in 2 days if that happens, right? But what is it that we should do? What is it that we can do, right? We want to make sure that we are taking solid steps. We don't want to be held with our own decision making, with our own bad decision making, right? So this was actually a good trade. Should be out there. I have managed my trade. I'm expecting it to go a little bit higher, right? So I've put my trade, my stop loss into break even, and so I'm expecting this price to go a little bit higher in order for us to actually, yeah, right. So the worst thing I can get with this trade is going to be a break even. The the shoot up was beautiful, I would say for sure. The shoot up was beautiful. So, like I said, from where I had got in there to targeting there, that's a beautiful 4R that we just had here, clean, live on stream, right? And again, nothing here is financial advice. Anything and everything that you see in this video is all for educational purposes, right? So nothing here is financial advice. Make sure before you take any financial decision, you've made good research, right? You've made proper research. So yeah, I am still in the trade, right? I am looking forward for it to. So I'm seeing this as a potential pullback. There's a reason why I had said this area, because I'm expecting a pullback from that area, and we took out this high. We're having a pullback. So hence I've put my stop loss into break even, so that if it does come back and take me out, fine, that will be a break even trade. But if it doesn't become a retracement and becomes a reversal for it to actually go take out this low and maybe trade lower, then for me I'll be having what do you call it? Then for me it will be a break even trade. But I'm expecting it to reverse, so we can actually go up, take out the high, maybe potentially go further a little bit up, right? But again, 4R, that was in the box, that was just there in plain sight for us to eat and take nicely without having to worry much, right? So yeah, let's see where does this guy, if our managing was actually our managing one spot on, we're actually following our rules, right? So we're just gonna wait a bit so you can go check out the high there. Let's now move this a bit here, and then so this is where our take profit 1 is here, and then our take profit 2 is just above somewhere there. I actually haven't even checked the stream if it's going well, like if it's running or not. Where is this other phone? I think I'll use this phone here to actually manage and see the stream. It looks like we are pulling back up, so that's good. Okay, guys, so it looks like we are going to be getting a break even from this guy here. So let's see. You can see my entry was good, guys. My entry was not bad. Hence, I'm still in profits, right? Versus where that guy was. So looks like we'll be having a BE here, break even. So I will just Make sure my stop loss, everything is in place here. So literally this move was a good move, right? TP1 was there. This is paper trading, by the way, guys. So if you've just joined, this is paper trading. The winning trade was already from where we had got in somewhere here, targeting the entry, take profit being 1, yeah, take profit 2 here. So yeah. Okay, I think my internet is gone, eh? Is the internet still there, babes? Okay, it's still here, it's still here, it's still here.
Order filled.
I don't have urgent tickets, but yeah, I've been struggling with this SMAX, like how to close things. I did try going through that.
Yeah, I hope the stream is better. It's back. It's disappointing. I mean, this thing of it not being there, it actually took my attention off. And we are down currently. So just want to have a look and see if there's nothing. There's nothing. I'll come back in London, in New York. I'm already disappointed for London. I mean, just give me a second. Let's see. Okay, maybe I think the stream may be back. So the trade looks like it's leaving us now. I was saying already a small pullback for us to get involved, but it looks like it is going now. So let's see. I have a potential area where I would like to be part of the trade. Let's see if it does come back there. If it doesn't, then I won't be part. I won't get in the trade, right? So I have an area, just a little bit of a small pullback for us to actually have a small pullback, like maybe a small rebalance of some sort. If we rebalance, then we can go up. I have that area there in mind, and I think this will be my last trade for London. Let's see, right? I want to put an alert, so if it comes there, it can be notified.
Yeah, I'm not sure why Fatima sent that, but everyone, we all confirmed that we are sorted. Quinton said he doesn't have.
Okay, so it looks like it's gone. This guy is going, it's going. So I guess that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, it looks like it's going. It looks like it's gone. It's even closer to take profit now. So, typical trades. Yes, my brother, I'm back. I'm back. I taken a week off. So it's good to see you too. It's good to see you too. My stream was lagging, so I had to put the quality a little bit down. So yeah, it's probably going to be not that great, right? So let's see. We had a trade that went up first. The first trade we took was a break even earlier. We took it here live too. In fact, it went into good profits but came back break even. And then this one here, this one. So let me show you my high time frame analysis. Right, what I am potentially seeing for the day, right? Like what I am potentially seeing for the day, or what price would do, what I'm looking forward to, right? So let's go to, we are not NASDAQ already. Fine, we'll be back. So we're back on that time frame. Let's go on the hour time frame. Let's go on the hour time frame. In fact, let's start off with gold. Then we'll come to NASDAQ. With gold, we've got this inefficiency here, right? This whole inefficiency here. So I am seeing price right now with gold. I'm seeing it come up. If it takes out a high, that's okay, but potentially it might not, right? And then we come to refill, and then potentially we go back up. That's what I'm seeing with gold, right? So we need to come refill this here, right? Or rebalance here. Let me use the right term. So we need to come and rebalance this area here. So right now with gold, I see it's coming into an important area I would like for us to potentially short. So I'm seeing price like come rebalance somewhere here, and then we go back up. So if in New York, right, we are somewhere down here, then we can get in the trade there and then end up going up with it, right? So that's if it's New York. In fact, for example, my objective is to pass this account this week, right? And I see my camera is down again. I don't know why is it down, but my objective it is to pass this account this week, and then next week after passing the account, I want to be what? I want to be actually taking all my trades. So right now the objective is just to take what is there, and then we're done with the day. Take what's there, we're done for the day. Take what's there, we're done for the day. Then let me just see again. This camera keeps on dropping. Okay, I think it's back now. So that's the objective. The objective is to make sure I take what is mine, and okay, I hope it's back now. Okay, I think it might be back. Let's see. Anyway, you can hear my voice, right? As I fix this. Yeah, so that's my objective, is to make sure I take what's mine and go. Take what's mine and leave. So my streams this week, even if it happens that they are 10 minutes long, I think for the safety of my trading, right, and also just doing what is right, I'm going to prefer just to take what's on the table and go. Next week, I'm looking forward to passing the account this week. If we do manage to do that next week, I am looking forward to then taking my trades, right? Taking my London, taking my New York, right? For example, I'm talking about this long drop. I'm talking about this long uh, short, right? I'm talking about the long, right? So we'd love to be part of those all the way. Watch them go, hit, take profit, do the right thing, right? So right now I am just on the sidelines. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. So that's what I'm seeing with gold. Yeah, potentially with gold to come to refill this whole imbalance, and then we can go up. That's what I'm. In fact, I want this move here. This is the move I want. This one, yeah, to go up. I want that move there to go up. All right, I'm actually looking forward to that move to go up. So we'll put it in alert here, so that whenever we do arrive there, we if it happens that we are down for the day and price reaches there, there's nothing we can do, right? So I want price to come there so we can go up. If it doesn't, that's okay still. Um, if we go now to, this is the last time we were here. If we go to US 100, NAS 100, NAS 100, I am seeing potential shorts. I'm seeing this as a retracement here. So if you go on the hour, if you'll see what we're doing here, I'm seeing this as a retracement. Right, we've been having literally short retracement, with a long retracement here. So came and took out the low, so you could retrace maybe back in here as this being the major retracement. So we can go back down. That's what I'm potentially seeing with NASDAQ, right? So I am seeing as bearish. I'm expecting maybe price to take out this high here. And then from there, we can see what we want. Hence, I wanted to get involved the buy so we can go up with it, right? Looking forward to maybe taking out this point here, this high here. And then if we do get any confirmations to short, then we can short. But if we don't have any confirmations to short, then there's nothing we can do, right? There's literally nothing we can do. But this is the move I wanted to be part of so we can go up with the movement. Look, we're already there, almost there, hitting our take profit. But that is okay. Let's see. So gold is actually about to arrive into the area, right? So I want to see something here. Let's see. Okay, with gold, I am looking forward to shorts, guys. I'm looking forward for us to short with gold. I'm seeing potential shorts with gold, and yes, that's what I'm looking forward to with gold, right? Potential shorts. Yeah. Let's see. So if you see this gap here, that's our opening gap. So I'm seeing price potentially coming into this opening gap here. Then we can go low. So let's see how does that go, right? Let's see how does that go. I want to see also specific, I want to see a confirmation. So I'm just gonna get ready now for my confirmation to see if that is what we'll get. See, my camera is not on. I'm talking, but my camera is not on because it's on now. Yeah, it's just a lot of moving parts taking place here. But okay. Let's see. Okay. So, but it's good that you were able to still see the analysis, right? So that's what's important. That's what's important. That you could still see the analysis. With gold, I'm seeing a short. Just gonna put the area so you understand where I'm expecting the short from, right there. And then our stop loss about somewhere there. I'm expecting it to take out the high, then we can drop. So I'll probably execute. I'm just waiting for a confirmation right now. I'm actually looking for my confirmation, and then you will see me execute, right, if my confirmation is actually given. Okay, looks like it is being given soon. You see, we are now dropping. Let's see. I want a pullback at a specific level, then we can get involved. Okay, let me show you where I want my pullback to be at 3-1 something something. I'll show you now where it is at 3-3. Maybe if I go on the 1 minute, maybe you can see it better. I want it to come back here. I want to pull back there. Then we can actually take our sell and drop with it, right? Okay. Let put me
Order
in.
filled.
Let's sell from there. That's where our sell is going to be. My stop loss is going to be a little bit higher into this area here. So if we do take out that high there, it's okay. Then we can target very low, 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 low. The way it's doing what it's doing here is looking like it's going to go take out the high. It's looking like it's potentially probably going to take out the high. See what? Of cutting it and then waiting again to take out the high, because it looks like it's going to potentially take out the high. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut
Order
it.
filled.
I'm gonna cut it, wait for it to take out the high, then we can go in again. Cut it, take out the high. See if I have one end.
Order filled.
And then put my stop loss here. Okay, so I've managed my trade. I've got one contract left. If it leaves without going to take out the high, that's fine, because I'm going to be still inside the trade as we drop. If it does not leave, right, and it goes back and takes out the high, then I'll get in another one. So me with one contract, I'm okay with one contract. And we'll see.
Jenny speaking, hello. Oh, hi. Yeah.
So that's fine. Target, let me show you where my target is now with this guy. This is why I'm just gonna have one contract
Yeah, sure.
run.
Just give me a second. Let me quickly go to it.
So I'm expecting price to go low. Yeah, guys, hey, this looks crazy. What I'm saying, 27R, it looks crazy, but yeah, that's what I'm expecting here, right? For us to come down here. That's what I'm expecting.
Hello? Yes, yes, you are.
To this area here. So, yeah, this is a 23R, I guess. So, but if you want to be safe, you can just have, yeah, your stop loss is fine there, guys. That was my confirmation to actually go lower. So I'm just going to have it there. All right, so I want to have it there. And then let's see how that goes. This looks very ridiculous, but I mean, that's what the market is telling us, right? So I'm expecting price to actually go lower. So let's see. Let's see how it actually goes.
Yes, that's okay then. Oh, 866. Yes.
So let's see if I can. Um, okay, I'm getting a call. So let me attend to that, and then I will.
Okay.
Then I will. Yeah. So I'm just gonna mute that there. That's where our target is there.
Hello, Burgess. I'm good yourself. Yeah, were you still sleeping? Oh, yeah. No, I just saw the message that you sent last night. Now I didn't see it. I think I was probably sleeping or something. Yeah. So, yeah, I saw you say you were ready to get the account. Was it ready in terms of funds, or the account was set for payment? So I don't know. I don't know how you get the account. I don't know if you have to request, then they give it to you, then you pay, or when you said you were ready, is it you? Did you get it already, or yeah? I just wanted to pay for it. Oh, oh, okay, all right. So you haven't paid. Okay. Um, so then yeah, you said yesterday you wanted to see how you are going to get some funds. Do you have anything toward it, or you want me to get the account full of the amount? Yeah. Okay. So the balance is how much? 76. Okay. Is it late now to get it and start working on it, or okay? Okay. All right. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'll send the 76 so you can get that account. All right. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay, guys, so I just finished the call. It was a good, important call I was looking forward to. So, yeah, let's see. So I wasn't expecting a pullback, right? If we do get a pullback, um, I'm not expecting, yeah, I wasn't expecting a pullback. That's all. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. I'm not expecting a pullback. Okay, I'm gonna get
Order filled.
a break even. I'm gonna allow it to come back in again. Like I said, I'm not expecting a pullback. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see. So if it does come again in the zone here, I'm gonna wait for confirmation. I thought I got my confirmation, my market structure shift, but looks like it's pulling back, right? So we'll wait for it to come back again. I'd say London today was very clumsy. Yeah, that's what I would say. Very, very clumsy. Okay, it's just reanalyzed, re-looking at what we have here. Didn't go into the gap as much as we wanted to go into the gap. So, okay. So, still waiting to see if it's going to give us a clear confirmation. If it goes, it's fine, guys. So there have been a trade for you, not for me, but looks like it is. Okay, this London for me was very clumsy. I'll say it again, very, very clumsy for me. From the stream to the execution, yeah, very, very clumsy, extremely clumsy. It's as if I don't know, checking out or what. Now it looks like we are dropping back again lower. So yeah, it was very clumsy. That's what I'll say again. But again, I'll wait. If it goes, carry on going without me, that's fine. I am still expecting it to go a bit higher. I am expecting it just to go a little bit higher from what we are seeing here. So if it lives, that's fine. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. But my performance for this London, for sure, I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with it for sure. So I'm now waiting for it to come back and sweep this high here. I want to sweep this high. If it sweeps this high into the high here, into this area here, then we drop. I'm happy, right? I'll be happy with that. So meaning our even according to this paper trading, we can reclose, put it there. Yeah, back to our original entry. The thing is, we had our confirmation given, but price then went up. Price then, but it gave the confirmation just below or before the zone. So what usually happens is that this can take place because maybe of different broker, right? You can even look at maybe this is gold. GC could have went in there, and while this guy did not. So yeah. It would be honestly really disappointing if this whole big move takes place without us. But again, there's nothing we can do. There will be nothing we can do. We want to be specific. Those errors that took place earlier on without us being there, there's nothing we can do now. It looks like they've taken place, right? And they've affected us. So our goal is we are trying to just carry on doing what is right. So I'm seeing us drop, major drop, as in, again, like I was saying, drop all the way to down there, This is the move that's going to give us the drop. So it's going. Wow. Yeah, guys, there's nothing we can do now. The only thing we'll do is just cry and watch it go, right? Watch it go. Yeah. I mean, it didn't get into the zone where we wanted it to come into, so and it's melting now. It's like, so it's melting and melting and melting and melting and melting. It's dropping. This year I'm just trading because of the opening gap that we have there. So I wanted price to come into the opening gap, but it doesn't look like we went into our opening gap here. See? Okay, maybe let's do this here. Let's put maybe GC on the bottom and double check. Maybe it did. Maybe it's a fault on our side. Yeah, with GC it's even a whole different situation, different story. We've been having SMT, we've been having SMT. So nah, there's nothing we can do. No, no. So okay. While we are crying and watching this guy go, let's see if maybe today I just looked at NASDAQ and gold. I did not look at US 30. US 30 is one of the guys who respects my setups pretty much well. And it's just the volatility, which is a little bit lower, but it's actually good. It's not bad. That's what I would say for US 30. Um, okay, US 30 is looking bullish. Excuse me. Gold is going now, guys. Gold is going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going, guys. A whole, I don't know how much R is this? 23 R on live stream. A whole 23 R on live stream. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. The thing is, my confirmation was done outside. I think that's what made me skeptical. Outside of my zone, and I got in and I went out. Yeah, and it's going, guys. It is moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Okay. Yeah, I guess there's nothing we can do about it. Guess there's nothing we can do about it. But if you're in the trade, that is good. If you're in the trade, that is good. And it's moving, eh? So let me see. 30, yes, 30 I don't have. Yes, 30, if there was opportunity, it's already done by now, so I don't have. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Excuse me. NASDAQ, I don't have anything right now, too. This is looking like one. That's what I'm seeing here. This is something confirms. Yeah. Okay, NASDAQ, I'm seeing a buy, potential buy. Let me show you what I'm seeing with NASDAQ here. Yeah, we are in a gap here, right? This heavily gap. So I'm seeing it potentially. Okay, if we check out this high here, then there's nothing we can do, right? Then the setup is violated. But if we do pull back, just come and trade a little bit inside here, then we can go up. Now that's the short-term buy I'm seeing with NASDAQ. So let's see if it does come, then we can be part of the trade, right? With NASDAQ. So many setups that are just taking place. Yo, the way gold has moved, guys. Yo. Yeah, it has moved. It has moved. It has moved. Beautifully moved. Like it has moved so beautiful. With NASDAQ, like I said, if it takes out the high, I'm no longer interested, right? Okay, looks like we're about to take out the high, so that is fine. Yeah, gold. Yeah, we've taken out the high of that one. Yeah, guys, look at this melt. Look at this melt. Look at this move here. Look at this melt. Look at this move here. Oh, man. Yeah, NASDAQ, I'm seeing it continue shooting up again from where it is there. Yeah, like I'm seeing it go back, go up here and going up. Gold. See, when you've got an impulsive move like this going down, right? That's why we always want to get involved here on the top. And it did get there, but it's now dropping, right? When it's dropping like this, there is no structure in order for you to say, let me get involved. So if you want to force a trade, you will be burnt, extremely burnt, because there's no structure that's forming. So this is the typical type of price action you get when you're getting moves, right? Like there's no structure that's forming. Well, there is structure on the high time frame, but on the low time frame where I'm looking at price from, um, you will get burnt, right? So it's just okay. So I think we would have been even way above break even now, even with our first trade. But I guess it's okay. It's okay. Like I said, this London we it was clumsy. We need to improve on that. It was extremely clumsy, like really clumsy. Look at the melt. Are you seeing the melt? I was talking about the melt that we were saying. I'm seeing it go, fill this gap, go lower, we go up. Yeah. Okay. When it's like this, guys, for me, I don't see anything. In fact, it's saying about seeing anything. getting involved, we had the opportunity, so why should we force to want to get involved, right? Yeah, I did have an area where I would have expected it to pull back to, but it's already pulled back to at that moment. So like that double, triple bottom we were getting, um, it already done that. So let me see. Yeah, no, my camera is acting up. I may be here thinking it's there, but I know it's acting up. The way it didn't go into that gap. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. So I'm just seeing if maybe there may be a potential pullback. If we do have, so we prepare for one. If we don't get one, then that is fine as well. Excuse me. At the moment, I'm not seeing any. This is a beautiful drop, guys. A beautiful, beautiful drop. This is why I like being in an entry at the high, like high of the trade, like if it's a risk entry, whatever entry it is. I like being in the high. Why do I like being in the high? So that whatever mess that takes place on the bottom, it has nothing to do with me. When you're getting in a confirmation, for me, I see a confirmation as a mess because now what happens is you start looking at price, start looking at, okay, it can do this, I'm seeing that. But if you're on the top, what happens inside, it is none of your business. You don't care. Right? You know, you're not even, yeah, you don't care about what happens on the top. Remember NASDAQ? Remember NASDAQ? Let me show you NASDAQ. Remember NASDAQ? Ha! See what I was saying? The buy I was looking forward to. Looks like we're about to take out the high. So maybe I could be given an entry to short with it. So let's see. Okay. Hey, but it's still a bit far away. Where I want to get involved. Yeah, it's still a bit of a distance. So we can wait. We can wait. We can wait. I'm not expecting it just to take out the high and drop it. Yeah, we can wait for now. Okay. Just give me a second. I want to check something here. I want to confirm. I want to see if we're just going to take out the high. or have a pullback. If we have a pullback, that's okay. If we don't have a pullback, we carry on going. That's fine too. Okay, please give me a second. Okay, so I'm just double checking if we are gonna have a pullback or I'm saying pullback, if we are gonna be given an entry to actually short lower, right? Mm, what?
No, I couldn't hear anything.
Okay, so I'm just double checking, right, guys, to see if we are gonna get our entry or we are not gonna. We are just gonna reverse or at least retrace from that spot there. Okay, so I'm potentially seeing us just taking out maybe the high and then dropping, right? Yeah, it's just a small, some sort of retracement. We want to be part of the trade, so so let's see if we can get a good confirmation, and then we can be part of the trade to go, yeah, to go down with it, right? Now gold disappointed me with a drop. I think last time it also didn't get into the zone, and yeah. I make my streams clear. Yeah, it'll get better, right? I will improve. I will improve. Okay. I have a specific area I want to get involved. Yeah. 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 I have a specific area I want to get involved. Yeah. But I'm expecting shorts, like shorts soon. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. So these are the consequences, guys, for not taking advantage of good opportunities. Now you have to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. If I had taken that trade, in fact, the first trade, if I had risked my proper risk, I don't even think I'll be here. But yeah. Okay, it's fine. So I'm just trying to see with quality. Looks like we're having a pullback, but I want to see if it's really a pullback or if we are playing games, right? If we can get a potential entry, right? You can see my camera is no longer there. Yeah, definitely a challenge. You can see it's definitely a challenge. Let me just swap to the laptop camera. Yeah, it's my laptop cam there, so it's not that good. Yeah, it's not. But for now, Okay. So with gold, I do have a potential area. Right, I do have a potential area if we do get the maybe to join the sell. Right. So that's if it gives it, right? Yeah. So let me explain what it is that I would like to see. So we've formed this gap, right? So if we do have price come into the gap between this swing high here and the swing low here, and then we come into our OTE, excuse me, without having to go take out the slow here. If we come and sweep the slow, I'm no longer looking forward to it, right? But if we do have price pullback come there, and then I'm interested in the drop, right? So I think it's a bit simple. It's not that complicated, whatever it is I'm looking forward to. But this is the type of trade where you just put it and you forget about it, right? You execute the trade and you forget about it. So we'll put an alert whenever we are close, so I'll put it there. And then if we do get there, then yeah, we'll be in the trade from that area. From that area, from that area. Otherwise, if it goes, it goes. There's nothing we can do. Literally nothing we can do. Yeah. So I put an alert. I put an alert. NASDAQ. I don't have anything with NASDAQ right now. I'll tell you now, I don't have anything with NASDAQ. I'm still looking at it, but I don't see anything right now. So I'm trying to see with NASDAQ if we are getting a pullback so we can go up, or maybe we've got SMT taking place. So if we've got SMT taking place with NASDAQ, means that maybe the setup may be already been given, maybe it was given on SMP, right? So the type of things we're trying to see is the type of things we're trying to see. SPX actually took out the high, right? I don't know if you can see, guys. SPX actually took out the high. Wow. Yeah, SPX did actually take out the high. Because now I'm asking myself why we were having this major pullback. This pull. Well, the thought is we're seeing it as a pullback, right? Because we're still expecting it to take out the high. So do we have SMT here? Let's do this here so you can see it. See here, we didn't take out the low. And then if we put SPX here, you can see, no, not that there. If you put SPX here, you can see with our SMT, What is SPX? SPX 500 USD. Yeah. Do you see this higher? This one we took out. We didn't. This one we did take out. That's the SMT. We are currently having there. Okay. But I am not convinced still, right? Still not convinced. I'm still not convinced. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing something here. Um, with gold. I'm seeing this as a pullback. The pullback I was talking about. I'm going to 5. I'm not seeing it happening all the way. I'm seeing it just happen a little bit so we can go down. So I want to see it real quick here. What was it again? Can you please pass me my hard drive? In the first drawer on top there. Thank you. Yeah, I think I know what I'm seeing. Okay. Okay, I see it. So are you using your mouse? Babes, are you using your mouse? Yeah. No, it's with the other PC, yeah. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm just confirming the setup here. Okay. Okay. So I'm seeing a potential drop here. going up where we wanted it to go. I'm still 50-50, right? So I just want to have my confirmation here so I can see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I do have a potential short with gold there. Yeah. I've got I'm seeing potential short. So if it does go and take out the high this low, again without us, that's fine. But I want to see it come trade a bit in here, then we can trade lower. Yeah. I have a level where I want to get involved. Okay, it's coming soon, soon, soon. So I want to see if this guy is ready. Where's GC? Okay, that's GC. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give you the level exactly where I'm expecting to get involved. Put it like this here and do this here. Remember, guys, nothing here is financial advice. It is all for educational purposes, right? Yeah, somewhere there. Somewhere there. That's where I'm expecting the short. If it goes without us now, again, we are okay. We should be fine with it. So I'll keep this one. That's the one we talked about earlier on. Then it's going to be this one, yeah. From that level there, stop loss somewhere, yeah. And then we can go lower, yeah. Yeah, so we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. I want it there, exactly there. Then we can drop low. So far, we're still in sync. We're doing what we would expect it to do. Okay. Looks like we might be coming soon. Yeah, guys, this will be my last trade. Been waiting for this last trade. It doesn't want to come. Then after this trade, I'll be done for London. New York, I want to come back with some good energy. Right, I'm going to gather some good energy. Okay. I've put a limit. Yeah, that's what I've put there. Put a limit. So let's see. In case if it choose to like to go in impulsively without me, but yeah, exactly there. Oh man. In the 1 minute, maybe it'll be a bit much clearer what I want to say. First to come here, then we can drop low. Let me have it like that there. It will look a bit better, a little bit better. What day was that? There's a day or two actually. Is it back now? Yeah. So it's ranging a lot, but I'm expecting it to like break this high here, right? Something like that there into that area. Then we can drop and go even further, probably. But I want just to eat this move. It'll probably be enough for me. Okay, looks like it's coming. My LED just went off. Yeah, so still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. Looks like it's giving me the type of confirmation I want to see. So yeah, let it carry on. So I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. We're very close. We're very close, guys. We're very close to where we want to get in. Very close. Okay, looks like it's coming. We're ready. Make sure we're prepared. It could just sweep that high it just created right now, like this one here, pull back again, then go in. Yeah, so it's fine. Still waiting. We're almost there.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's go in. It's actually here. It's actually here. It sits in. So let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts. So now we want to see a drop. We want to see a drop, so let's see. Okay, we are having a drop, a bit of a reaction. So we want to see a bigger drop than that. Way bigger drop than that. Okay, making sure I'm putting my stop loss. I'm not expecting it to take out that high. So we are selling, so I should put a buy, stop. Okay. Okay, my stop loss is on. My stop loss is not even as big as you're seeing it here. It's actually way smaller than that. It's way smaller than that there. So let's see. Okay, I hope this is not a retracement. I hope it's actually our reversal that we are looking forward to. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. My stop loss, let me show you where I put my stop loss. My stop loss, I've literally put it above this high here. So if we take out that high, yeah.
Stop filled.
Just taking it out, guys. Okay. Okay. It's true. Hope it just didn't take me out, guys. If it's taking me out and then it drops, okay, we'll fight. We'll fight big time. We'll fight big time. True. Hmm? Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut this trade here. Yeah, it's a losing trade. I've got a retracement here, so I'm not seeing. It's looking again. Are we gonna have maybe the one? Do we want to go up and see something? Yeah. Because I also had a potential area from somewhere here to actually drop. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah.
until sorry, eventually 50, below 50 even. Let's see other trade. And 15 minutes look like he wants to create a
Guys, so I'm just gonna risk about I'm seeing here, I'm waiting for a confirmation. If I'm given a confirmation, I'll risk about 150. Then I will be done with this guy here. But yeah. Hmm?
previous error.
It was,
But I didn't say the previous setup actually.
yeah, so I had two entry areas. I had two entry areas. Okay.
Since already past that error. Create. So has it reached your thing? Because I'm seeing in the video it's already reached the gray area.
Yeah, it has reached the gray area, but not yet my entry area. So almost there though. Almost there, almost there. This hopefully doesn't leave me. Okay, I'll just give him two here.
Order filled.
Then I'll wait for it to pull back around it to leave me. So I'm just gonna get in here. It's already in the area. Okay, that's the sell, guys.
Put the stop loss.
I'll put it now.
For 150. Because when
Order filled.
Okay, I'll just put my stop loss now. It's on 250 already now. Okay. Guys, from where we are now, where we've reacted from, I'm not expecting us to go further. Yeah. So my stop loss, I'm putting it right there. I'm not expecting us to even come back. I feel like we've arrived. So let's see. So I am selling. I'm gonna put a buy stop. Okay. Stay. Okay, so we're kind of holding about 160 right now. It's not bad. We want this guy to drop, guys. Drop, drop, major drop. So we can get what we lost back, right? And I hope, again, it's not just a reaction or retracement area, an area where we're just going to see a retracement, but instead we want to see a good big move, right? So okay, we're like on break even for the trade. Okay, negative 80. Let's see. once we break this low here, our confidence level should be up, right? We've already passed the confidence level, then we know we are on our way up. So let's see. Excuse me. The reaction, I'm happy with the reaction. I'm happy with what it's doing. So we just want to see price melt, and then we can be able to say, okay, fine, we are good. Yeah, so what we're having here, it's good now. It's good, it's good, it's good. So we wanted to break lower, create lower lows, then lower lows. Some break even right now. Yeah, like a strong sell.
It's just creating setups for me.
So all this time it was not charged since you woke up. Yes, it was a good battery. Yeah.
I think if I keep it like this, I'm not charging it while I'm using it. So that's
Yeah.
but the problem I'm showing it shows us.
Okay, it's dropping. Let it drop, guys. We want it to drop, 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 drop. See 1 minute how it looks like. Yeah. We want a good drop, even maybe even below these lows here. But I think with the rate of how it's going now, I don't even think we would get to those lows without us having to hit our, excuse me, our daily target. So let's see. Yes, that's the drop we want. That's the kind of drop we want. We want a further one than that. We want more than that. Yeah, should drop more. So we've now came and trade below here. This is where we're expecting our confidence level to go up, right? We are holding about 800. Is that close to break even? Let's see. No, it's not really break even yet, but it would be, so let's see. Let this not be a retracement. We want it to be a reversal, so we can drop lower and lower and lower. Yeah, because it becomes a reversal, a retracement, then it would suck. It would like suck big time. So we want it to be a reversal, not a retracement of this move up here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You were doing well. You're doing well. Let's go back and break the low. Let's go back and break the low. So we're almost back to break even again. Come on. Well, I can break even again. Okay. Let it just go down. Let it go back. Go back and take out the low. Go back and take out the low, buddy. Take out the low. I'm aware this is a fair value gap, but I don't see your significance. I don't see your strength. I don't see why you should have good strength in order for us to go back up. So let's go low, brother. Let's go low. We're back to break even.
What about the big one there?
Big,
Two measurements. So what's the big one?
that was the first entry gem used up there to drop.
I think it's going back up. Seven maybe. Maybe they're going to look at that.
If we come back and break that low again here, I think we'll be fine. We'll be fine. So let's see, let's see, let's see. So let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, we want a good reaction. Should break that low. We want you to break that low. If it breaks that low, we'll be good. let's see. There's two outcomes here, right? Two outcomes. Either we're just gonna drop what we want to see here, right? Okay, drop. Or I'm seeing price potentially maybe even try to sweep this high here, and then we drop, which is what we don't want. But we don't want that outcome. So price can drop, or it could just like sweep that high and then potentially drop again. So we want it just to go break the low. We don't even want to create a double bottom or double what. No, we don't want that. It should just drop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's drop, let's drop, let's drop. So yeah, I'm getting those vibes. I'm getting the vibes of price wanting to potentially take out the high, go down, and yeah, it's okay. The type of high, if we take out the high, we are not expecting like a strong impulsive high. Literally, just a sweep above, and then we drop. That's the potential. Otherwise, we are just gonna break lower. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We should get just a break. We don't want it. There's no need for a pullback. There's no need for a pullback. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's just break down. Let's impulsively break. you want a nice drop. Let's have a drop, a big drop. Let's drop. We are waiting for you, sir. We are waiting for you, sir. Is that? Yeah, it is almost. What is it? Guys, if this thing breaks this low, forget about it. Forget about it. It will be dropping. If we come back and take out this low here, we will be dropping this low here. Remember, guys, nothing here is financial advice. It is all for educational purposes, right? Make sure you do your proper financial decisions and research before you do your decisions, right? So yeah. Except when I take out the high, so like I said, there's a potential where we can come and just potentially sweep this side here, and then we drop, sweep, then we drop, right? It's potential. It's a potential, so we'll see. If we come and break this low, we should forget about it. When I'm talking about forget, I'm saying we should forget about it. We will drop. We will drop. So let's see. You know how short this trade is? It's like so short, but just not one nice clean impulsive move. As if we got into a range. It does make sense why we're in a range. I mean, we this is the impulsive, that's the range. So we either gonna get an impulsive move, not other. We are gonna get impulsive move. Right? So from this range here, we're expecting potential expansion, and then not a retracement to go up, but a reversal, right? So we can go lower. That's what we would like to see. So let's see. Another way it's resisting here, it's looking like it would give it there. So from where we are, we could even also get the expansion like this here. This is a range, right? We could also get the expansion out of the range, and then a retracement, and then yeah, we get a reversal from there. So it's a potential. So those are only two-way directions we are waiting for, and then out of those directions, they all have their own two outcomes, right? So let's see. We're literally on break even. And also took into consideration, because price could sweep here, it, it could sweep there, but then choose not to sweep on my side, or it could sweep my side and not sweep the other side. So I am considerate of that, right? Because we could, yeah, either we're gonna have this range, and then we expand up, and then we retrace. So we don't want a retrace, we want a reversal. Yeah, that's what we would like to see, a reversal. Or we could expand lower, retrace, then we reverse this way. Now I would have said, we're BE now, let me go out so I can wait for it to pull back, but then it doesn't pull back, then it ends up going lower. So it's the exact same thing that took place, remember, with the other trade that we had earlier on. Okay, so it looks like we are back to where our entry was. This type of double bottoms, they're a bit weird. I feel like it's just the only time I'll believe it is if we take out that low there. That's the only time I'll believe it. So I'm still waiting. I want you to take out that low. Once you take out that low, then yeah, I know that we are on. Like I said, the only time I will have full confidence when it takes out the slow, yeah. Otherwise, right now, it's fine. I'm still open to it. I want to see what it wants to do. If it breaks this low here, I will put my stop loss into break even. So yeah, I put my stop loss to break even, and I'm gonna allow it to run lower. Yeah. Like I said, I'm only gonna be confident in it. We check out the low again. Right now, we are still playing around. We are in a range, so there's nothing much. I mean, we were in from the high somewhere here, and now, yeah, so when we take out this low, then we can put, take out this low, then we can put the stop loss to break even. Like this trade, it's waiting for me to go out. Then it does. That's what it needs to do. Just drop. Stop playing games. Just drop. Go break the low. Drop, 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 drop. I'll be honest with you, with this trade, né, what I actually want to get out of this trade is see like what happened earlier on where I got in the trade, but I then was making so many decisions inside that range. I want this trade to be the one to remedy that, like to clear that out, right? As in, if it works out, I want it to give me that thing of, okay, hold on to your trades, right? Don't, fine, if you miss the first entry, it's okay, maybe end it there. Don't force to say I want to get in another trade. That's the mindset I want to use with this guy. So let's see. Now we're like, so I would want just to see a sweep, guys. Like I was saying, a potential sweep, then we drop. That'll be fine for me. Yeah, that'll be fine for me. But again, if we don't get it, that'll be good. We'll be happy with it. We'll be happy with it. If we don't get the sweep and we just go and check out the low, we'll be very happy with that too. Okay, so I just wanna go P a bin 150 actually. So I'll be back. Hopefully it'll be lower. The worst thing here, I don't want to be taken out. Then price goes lower. I don't want that. That's the worst thing for me. So let's see. Break even. I'll be back. Come on. If you're gonna sweep, just sweep, and then we go down. Gosh, it's bad, eh? Oh,
Stop field. Stop field.
guys, I've taken a loss. Taking my loss, yeah. Taking my loss. Okay. I've taken my loss. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you in New York then. I'll see you in New York. Yeah, this was a down session. So I'll see you in New York. Where's my camera? My camera is also not available. Yeah. So okay. I'll see you guys in